Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? What if somewhere, orbiting a distant star, there's another Earth? Maybe even a world with life looking back at us right now? Welcome to Astrophysics and Exoplanetary Science, where humanity's oldest curiosity meets the most advanced technology of our age. You're watching The Learning Studio, and in today's episode from our physics playlist, we'll explore how modern physics, AI, and space technology are rewriting our understanding of the cosmos, one planet, one photon, and one equation at a time. You can watch the entire physics playlist by clicking the link in the description below. This topic belongs to our new section Space, Time, and Advanced Technologies, where we explore how the universe and cutting-edge computation come together to expand the frontiers of knowledge and exploration. The science of stars, galaxies, and beyond. Astrophysics is the physics of the universe itself, the study of how celestial bodies form, evolve, and interact. It unites every branch of physics, mechanics, thermodynamics, quantum theory, relativity, and plasma physics, into one grand framework that explains everything from the birth of stars to the death of galaxies. Through astrophysics, we explore cosmic questions such as: how did the universe begin, and how will it end? What drives the evolution of galaxies and stars? What is dark matter and dark energy, the invisible fabric shaping the cosmos? And perhaps most profoundly, is Earth unique, or are there countless other worlds like ours? That final question leads us to one of the most rapidly growing fields in modern science, exoplanetary science. Exoplanets, the new frontier. Exoplanets are planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. The first confirmed discovery came in 1995, and since then, we've found thousands more, each revealing something new about how worlds form and evolve. Some are gas giants larger than Jupiter, orbiting so close to their stars that their atmospheres boil. Others are rocky and Earth-like, residing in the habitable zone, the region where conditions might allow for liquid water, and perhaps even life. Every discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest dreams: are we alone in the universe? But detecting these planets is no easy task. They're tiny, dim, and lost in the glare of their parent stars, a challenge like spotting a firefly next to a lighthouse, from light years away. This is where AI and machine learning step in. AI, the new telescope of the mind. Modern astrophysics generates enormous amounts of data, from observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, the Kepler mission, and upcoming next-generation arrays. Each captures terabytes of complex signals, spectra, and images. AI algorithms now analyze this data faster and more accurately than ever before. Machine learning models detect subtle brightness dips in starlight that reveal the presence of exoplanets. Neural networks simulate stellar evolution and galaxy formation, predicting what we might see in deep space surveys. AI-driven telescopic systems autonomously adjust their focus, filter data noise, and even prioritize potential targets for observation. AI has become an essential cosmic partner, a digital astronomer helping humanity peer deeper into space and time than our eyes or instruments alone ever could. The physics behind the discovery. Astrophysics and exoplanetary science are grounded in the most elegant principles of physics. Newtonian mechanics explains planetary orbits. General relativity describes how gravity bends light around massive stars and galaxies. Quantum mechanics governs the light spectra that reveal the composition of distant atmospheres. And thermodynamics helps us understand stellar energy, planetary climates, and potential habitability. The interplay of these laws paints a unified picture, a living, evolving cosmos where physics and observation come together to tell the story of creation itself. The future, living physics among the stars. The next decade of astrophysics will be defined by integration of data, of intelligence, and of imagination. AI-assisted telescopes will map the Milky Way in unprecedented detail. Quantum sensors and interferometers will measure gravitational waves from colliding black holes. And new missions will study exoplanetary atmospheres, searching for biosignatures like oxygen, methane, or water vapor. Someday soon, we might find a planet where the light we detect carries the fingerprint of life, or even intelligence. And when that happens, it won't just be a discovery in space, it'll be a revelation about physics, life, and what it means to exist in this vast, interconnected universe. Why it matters. Astrophysics and exoplanetary science remind us that physics isn't confined to laboratories or equations, it's written across the stars. It connects the tiniest quantum particle to the largest galactic structure, the first moment of the Big Bang to the present spark of consciousness. By uniting physics and AI, we're not only exploring the universe, we're understanding it in real time. Every photon collected by a telescope, every data point analyzed by an algorithm, is a step closer to knowing who we are, and where we come from. This is the Learning Studio, and this was our episode on astrophysics and exoplanetary science. If you enjoyed traveling through the cosmos with us, make sure to subscribe, like, and check out our physics playlist linked below. In our next episode, we'll explore cosmological simulations and AI in astrophysics, how artificial intelligence is helping us recreate the universe itself, from the Big Bang to the birth of galaxies. Because in physics, the stars aren't just distant lights, they're the universe thinking about itself.